The Trump administration says California's sanctuary state status plays a major role in their decision to carry out immigration raids like the one we saw in Sacramento yesterday.
Yeah, law enforcement in our area has been pointed specifically to a law known as SB 54. That's the one that limits local authorities' ability to cooperate with immigration authorities against people in the country illegally when they're accused of a crime. Democratic leaders refuse to change that law. KCRA 3 Capitol correspondent Ashley Zavala has asked both sides if a truce is possible.
Don't say a word!
California will continue to see images like this, immigration raids where federal agents say they're looking for criminals.
A lot of it can be attributed to the sanctuary state policies.
U.S. Attorney for the Central District of California, Bill Essayli, points to California's law that limits how local law enforcement cooperates with immigration authorities. He says state leaders need to get rid of it.
We're unable to work with the local law enforcement officials to target and focus on criminal illegal immigrants. They're not allowed to report illegal immigrants to us when they arrest them, when they take them to jail, when they encounter them. So we have to go do that on our own out in the community.
California's Democratic-led legislature rejected efforts to change the sanctuary state law earlier this year, an issue that has deeply divided Latino lawmakers.
People want us, this body, to have honest conversations about what is going on. It hurts me to see people frustrated and upset and in fear. But lying about why we're here does nothing to fix it.
Democrats argue the law gives local law enforcement discretion when it comes to violent and serious felons.
This is legislation that clearly dictates when law enforcement may partner with immigration enforcement. That is publicly available information for everyone.
As I inherited sanctuary policy at the state.
Governor Gavin Newsom has distanced himself from the sanctuary state law. He told conservative-leaning YouTuber Sean Ryan, under his administration, the state's prison system has transferred 11,000 convicted criminals to ICE custody, which state law does allow.
I support the broader principle. That said, I'm happy to advocate for eliminating sanctuary policy. And the reason it exists is because of the total abject failure of the federal government.
And is there any chance of a truce here?
We don't negotiate with states on federal law. The rule of law means something in the United States. No one is above the law, including the governor in the state of California.
In Sacramento, Ashley Zavala, KCRA 3 News.
We also asked Governor Newsom's office if a truce or negotiation is likely. In a statement, his spokesperson said today, quote, "The governor has mentioned time and time again his willingness to work with the federal government, but their own actions do not display the same civility or reason," end quote.